How to contact Buffalo Wild Wings customer support from the Contact Us page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your browser and head over to Buffalo Wild Wings official website. Then scroll down to the bottom and then you need to head over to FAQ and contact us page under learn more. So once you tap on it, something like this will open up. Head over to contact us and here you'll find the number that you can call to reach out to the Buffalo Wild Wings support, or you can even email to support@buffalowildwings.com. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.